Hey guys, today's video I'm going to show you how to fix your Shein payment failed or declined. So first and foremost, make sure that you have a secure and stable Wi-Fi connection. If you have that, let's move on to our next step. Head over to your Me section, and once done, select the gear icon. At this page, you will see My Payment Options. Go ahead and tap onto it. You will see a page like this. Now in here, if you have already added your card, of course, which you have, what you have to check is the card detail should be correct. Make sure the address is correct. Make sure the expiration date and your CVV, everything is correct. And next, make sure that you have enough balance. If you would like to purchase something, make sure that you have more balance than it actually needs for the purchasing item. And once you do that, it should definitely not decline your payment. It should go through easily. If it's still not working, then I think you should call your bank and ask if there is anything wrong with your card. So guys, these are all the things that you can do. Thank you for watching.